Hello again. Well, what did I hear? What did I hear? Oh, I know the Supreme Court is supposed to rule on the 31st of June 2014 in regards to Hobby Lobby. Yeah, see, the Obamacare, Affordable Care Act that nobody can afford, well, that has certain provisions and requirements of organizations and businesses, Hobby Lobby being one of them. And it's against their religious beliefs to offer contraceptive devices to their employees. So the Supreme Court is supposed to rule as to whether or not they have to abide by Obamacare, or if their religious convictions overpass the requirements of Obamacare. Now, can you imagine what's going to happen at the White House at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue if the Supreme Court rules in favor of Hobby Lobby? You add that to their most recent ruling where they said that he's not a king and he can't just go ahead indiscriminately appoint people to various positions as he did when he said that the Congress was in recess. The Supreme Court did say, though, that when the Congress is in recess, then he can do that. But when he went ahead and made those 3 appointments to the Labor Board so he could get certain provisions pushed through by the people that he put into that position, well, they ruled against him being able to do that. Now, I don't know how that affects those 3 that he put in there. You'd think that they'd be removed, but we'll see. But he's got to be really bummed. I mean, he put Sonia Sotomayor on, and he put Elena Kagan. Elena Kagan is somewhat unique. She's the one that buried his past. She knows the truth. She knows that he's not eligible. That's why she buried his past. And you sort of wonder how we could have a Supreme Court justice that knows the truth, which is that he's not eligible to be in the Oval Office. Yet he appointed her to a lifetime position. Anyway, that's a different story. But Monday should prove to be interesting. The 31st of June 2014 should prove to be really interesting. Once again, if they rule the way they did on his recess appointments, he's going to go off the wall. What do you think? I sort of told you what I think.